Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 NSRA Eastern Nationals, checking out another fine mess. This is great! Look at this girl. My God. I absolutely love these things. Those are 16s. That looks so much bigger. Oh, that is great. Cute little dagger. Now that moves along the roof. I wonder what's going on there. Right-hand drive. Oh, look at the Chevy pod. That is so cool. This thing's so unbelievably low. It's bagged, of course, but wow. Too much. Too much. I like that. That is great. Now I gotta show you another detail. That's the door over there. Note the cutout and such. Look at the way that was put together. Crafted. That is great. Look at the cut down over there. Wow. And that's the shifter. Okay. So when you move the shifter over there, the dagger goes. That is too cool. Neat, sick stuff.
That it is.
Let's keep going over here. You know me with rats, folks. It is alive! Nice. Look at that grill work. Cool little rat over here. Nice. One sick build. Oh, look at the old lawn chairs in there. Oh, geez. Nice. All roll caged up there. Cool. It's nice, the Plymouth. Pretty sure this Plymouth might be cat. We gotta find out. I like to stop. Excuse me. Where are your tail lights off of?
49
Plymouth, I got it. Cool beans. This is a sick build. That is great. Oh, look at this. Look at this knitting work here. Wow. Love these rats, baby. I love these rats. That is so cool. Now let's keep going, guys. All right, Rat Rod Heads 53 International. Look at that iron down there, the way how they put that thing together. Oh gosh, I love the chain. Check this out, check this out. You want iron? There it is. Carrying through with the chain all the way down. Wow. I love the steering stabilizer there. That is amazing. Look at those double joints to get the steering. Oh my gosh. We got the rats cut off for turn signals. It is beautiful. Now check the edges over there. That is great. Of course, carrying through the saws up on top. Nice interior, but nothing fantastic. Good split windshield. I like your air conditioning, the splits in the windshield. That looks good. Adds to the ambiance. That's yours?
My husband's.
Oh, okay. You don't want to claim anything, huh?
It's his. It's
Oh.
his.
And by the way, he's wearing the right shirt too.
Yeah.
So that is great.
Fits right in.
Who did all the laser cutting?
He did. Yep.
That is fantastic. Fantastic work. Great touches. Is this a COVID creation?
No, it was pre-COVID.
Yeah. This is great. Absolutely beautiful.
It was a BC build before COVID.
There you go. I like that. I like that.